Welcome to Learn and Play Preschool and Children's Center. Hi, I'm Terry Connor, the Program Chair of the Early Childhood Programs at Germanna Community College. Learn and Play serves as one of our quality practicum sites where early childhood students observe and gain hands-on experience in real classroom settings. It's a way for students to put their learning into action and be prepared for the workforce. We welcome the partnership with Learn and Play and invite you to discover the wonderful world of early childhood.
Hi, I'm Christine Munoz, owner of Learn and Play Preschool. We work with Germanna to provide quality childcare to our community. You can't have quality childcare without quality teachers.
My name's Emma Brown. I have been with Learn and Play for almost 3 years. My favorite part about working here and working with the children is developing a relationship with the families. It's so rewarding to see these kids at such a young age and see them grow up and become 1, 2, 3, 4 years old, and building that bond with not only the students but their families and gaining that trust.
My favorite part of working with children and working here is the challenges that come, helping them grow and learn, finding themselves. Early childhood is just, I don't know, I love it.
The need for skilled workers in this field, the early childhood education field, is more relevant now than ever before. We have a growing need for it in our community. We do a lot of hands-on with the children here, and teachers don't know that right off the bat. That's a learned thing that they get when they are going through Germanna's program. So when they have already went through that program, they can come into our center and be hands-on with the children right from the start. I do recommend that they go through the classes. We offer up the information to them that the Department of Social Services pays for the classes at Germanna. We tell them about that. We also have a grant program that we can go through that will also pay for the classes at Germanna. Germanna's partnership with Learn and Play has benefited us. We have a lot of students come in and do their training with us. They have 40 hours that they have to get. It gives them a chance to see what working in a child care center is really all about. When they do the practicums here, we've had several teachers then come in and apply to work here after they finish their practicums. We've also had teachers that have done their practicums here and then they've went on to the public school system.
Quality teachers are created by formal education, which Germanna provides, and in-person work experience, which Learn and Play provides. Together, we're creating an inspiring environment for exceptional teaching and transformative learning.